Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are excited to introduce the Binocular Compound Microscope 40X-2000X, a research-grade professional microscope perfect for students, children, adults, beginners, amateur scientists, and enthusiasts. This microscope is the best choice for school, laboratory, or home teaching and education. With high magnification capabilities of up to 2,000 times, this compound binocular microscope features 3 achromatic objectives for clear and sharp imaging. The LED dual lighting system provides adjustable brightness to protect your eyes and ensure comfortable observation without fatigue. The fine focus and solid design of this microscope allow for quick and accurate targeting with a comfortable and ergonomic observation experience. Plus, the satisfactory after-sales service ensures that your exploration of the wonderful world of life never stops. So, if you're ready to explore the mysteries of life and enhance your scientific research experiments, the Binocular Compound Microscope 40X-2000X is the perfect choice for you. Click the link in the description to get your own and start your journey today.